Do you know how just in one click to cancel all double names? And in case of the mistake to return the action? Of course you can do it manually, just selecting the cell and cancel the name. But it takes so much time. Why do you need to do it manually, if you can do it automatically? Also in this case we are going to use our VBA code that I have posted in the comments. As the first step, go to Developer tool and choose Visual Basic. Let's write our code. In the beginning we are going to write the code dedicated to the stored related content. For example, we have cancelled something, but this data should be stored somewhere. As the second step, we are going to create the button that dedicated to restore our data. The third important part is that we have to create the code that is looking for the specific name. In our case it is cat, and if the name is found, through the clear button, it will be cleared. So guys, let's test our code. Just select the range of the area and press the button clear. As the result, all the names with the cat will disappear. And in case if you want to return the action, just press on the button return. As the result, we will have our names back. Help to develop this channel. Put your like and subscribe.